Ina-advocacy ko ang female empowerment. At ayon kay Salome Salvi, female empowerment daw yung ginagawa niya.
I want to tell the world and live my truth that I am a person. It's something that is really, really close to my heart. It's something that I really enjoy doing. I've always been creative. I've always been into visual art. So yung love ko for visual art and creative hunger na nafe-feel ko, napupunan yun nung saya ako sa ginagawa ko eh. I can do so many things. But I think is what I am best at.
Gaano ba kababa ang confidence ng isang babae para gawing confidence boost ang iya?
The earliest I can remember was 5, 8.
Paano kanila pag-usapan pag nandiyan ka?
They would make fun of my clothes. They would make fun na malaki yung gilagid ko. They would make fun na...
Nanay mo?
Nanay ko. Yun yung pinakamasakit. Araw-araw dinidikdik sa akin that I don't deserve that because I'm ugly.
Ang pinaka naging matimbang sa aking research tungkol sa pornography ay ang role ko bilang magulang. Nabanggit niya na lumaki siya sa isang household na may narcissistic na magulang.
I came from a narcissistic household. Ang nangyayari in narcissistic households with narcissistic parents, pinubuli nila yung mga anak nila. Sinasabihan na, pangit ka, wala kang mararating. Like all of your decisions are wrong, you don't know what's best for yourself. I grew up hearing that every day.
Hindi rin naniwala ang kanyang mga magulang nung siya ay nagsumbong tungkol sa sexual na pang-aabuso ng isang kakilala nila.
When I told them kasi that this happened to me, hindi sila naniwala. I was touched very inappropriate na parang naglalaro lang tayo, kalaro ko eh. When I told my parents, nung una, in-acknowledge nila. And then the subsequent times that I brought it up, yun na, parang di naman nangyari yun eh. Yun yung pinakamasakit. They know the person who did that to me. And they allowed that person to be part of their lives.
Kung naramdaman niya kaya, nakakampi niya sila laban sa umabuso sa kanya, work pa rin kaya ang pipiliin niya. Napakahalaga ng role natin bilang magulang for body positivity, positivity, and healthy future relationships ng ating mga anak. Tingin natin sa kanila ay babies forever. Pero alalahanin natin na ang awareness begins between the ages of 8 and 13 for girls and 9 and 14 for boys. Mga kapwa ko magulang, huwag tayo maging in denial pag nasa ganung edad na ang ating mga anak. Tayo ang una mag-explain sa kanila tungkol sa at body positivity at paulit-ulit dapat yan. Hindi lang one time, big time. Maging proactive tayo sa pag-alala, maging approachable tayo para mag-share sila sa atin at huwag natin sila i-judge o gawing kasalanan ang magkaroon ng urges. They have to know it's natural. They should not be ashamed and that we are on their side as they go through their changes.